The attack we're using now on George, because he gets a little frenetic when you start cleaning his cage, is to give him a few treats beforehand and give him a bit of brushing just to settle him down. And we'll find out what happens if there's a difference when we start to clean his cage. Hopefully it'll be a little more calm. Usually he's very, very angry and don't touch my stuff. Okay. Thanks for not biting me, George. Okay. Thank you for not biting me today. Okay, my friend. I love you. Hey, George. Georgie. You settle down. Okay. George. Okay, George, it's coming back, my friend. It's coming back. It's okay. Don't hide. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay, bud. Thank you, George. George, it's much better, okay? You're not sitting in the litter this morning. Good for you. Love you, babe. Good for you. You're a good boy. You're a very, very good boy, George. See ya.